Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Cryptocation. In this video guys, we have the Quant token, a token guys created on the Ethereum network. As you can see guys, Quant today have a rank of 37 on CoinMarketCap with a price of $119, market cap $1.4 billion, and the volume of $38 million. The all-time low is 0.16 5 years ago, and the all-time high is 428 2 years ago. And the token guys available on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Uniswap, Gemini, Bittrex, and a lot of big exchanges. As you can see guys, Quant today down 1%, as well for the volume down 0.50%. Quant guys launched in June 2018 with a goal of connecting blockchains and networks on a global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It is the first project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of the first blockchain operating system. The project is built an operating system, distributed ledger technology, and overlaid network for connecting different blockchain networks. The project is built as the first OS to be built for blockchains. The main aim of Quant using overledge is to bridge the gap that exists between different blockchains. The backbone of the project is the overledge network, which Quant builds as an ecosystem on which the future digital economy ecosystem will be built. Overledger allows developers to build decentralized multi-chain applications known as maps for their customers. For developers to build a map of the network, they must hold a certain amount of Quant tokens. And by the way guys, Quant was founded by Gilbert Verdian, one of the founders of the Quant network. Has the idea for the blockchain project while he was working in a healthcare sector. Verdian identified the importance of interoperability and ensuring that patients registered on different platforms are covered. Verdian has over 20 years of industry experience and upgraded the security, technology, and business strategies of business around the globe in order to achieve tangible results. Peer of the Quant network, Verdian served as the Chief Information Security Officer of the Fuka-Link, a MasterCard company, the Chief Information Officer of the NCW Ambulance, the CISO of the eHealth NCW, and the Security Lead of the Ministry of Justice UK. The second co-founder, which is Dr. Paulo Tesca, is an entrepreneur digital economist who specialized in distributed systems. Dr. Tesca has served as the special advisor on blockchain technologies on the United Nations and numerous central banks worldwide. He is also realized a lot of books on the fintech and is the co-founder and government board chair of Retail Blockchain Consortium. That's all guys for the Quant for today. I wish you benefit from this small explanation about this wonderful token. Of course guys, this is not a financial advice. Every investment you do guys, you take responsibility. Cryptocation was with you, and see you in the next video.